How to create a loading circle animation effect in DaVinci Resolve 20. Inside your Projects Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects, and go to click and drag a Fusion composition clip to your timeline. By default, the clip will play at 24 frames per second. Right-click on your Fusion composition clip and go to Open in Fusion page. Inside your Fusion Nodes panel, click on the ellipse option to add one of these tools. Select either left or right view underneath this new node to preview the effect above your Fusion timeline. With ellipse 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Controls, ensure that both Invert and Solid are unticked. To make the circle shape appear, increase border width. Here I will increase this to 0.075. To reduce this outline to an individual circle shape, decrease the value for length to 0. To ensure that none of the circular shapes appear cut off at either the top or the bottom of your screen, we will need to reduce the overall size of the ellipse here that the circles will appear on. Here I will decrease the width and the height to 0.4. And to ensure that the animated pattern starts at the top of the screen, we will need to change the value for angle to 90. Now to create the smooth blinking animation effect for each circle. Ensure that you are positioned at the first frame of your Fusion timeline, as indicated by the red play marker on the left here at frame 0. To make the circles invisible at the start of the animation, reduce the value for level to 0. Select the keyframe diamond marker alongside this property so that we can now apply a change in appearance to this shape. As previously mentioned, this 5-second Fusion composition clip consists of a frame rate of 24, adding up to 120 frames altogether, from 0 to 119. To make the circle shapes fade in, I will advance forward on the Fusion timeline by half a second to frame 12. I will increase level from 0 to 1 to make the circle appear in its default solid white form. I will now advance the equivalent to half a second further to frame 24, and will reduce the level value to 0 once again, so that each of the circles fade as the animation plays. In order to ensure that the full circle animation effect doesn't restart abruptly, we need to ensure that there is a short delay before the first circle at the top reappears again. I will advance a quarter of a second here to frame 30, and will select the keyframe diamond icon under Inspector next to Level once again. To have this pattern repeated, select Spline, tick the box next to ellipse 1, adjust the side scroll bars on your spline graph to see the nodes representing the keyframes that we have applied to the level property of the ellipse shape. Click and drag with your mouse to highlight these nodes, and click on the Set Loop option below, so that the animated ellipse effect repeats, regardless of how long your Fusion composition clip will be. Now to add the additional 11 circles that will make up our circular pattern. Click on Spline again to close this graph. Deselect ellipse 1, hold and Shift and press space. Using the search box at the bottom of the Select tool window, go to Find a Duplicate tool. Select this, and go to click on Add. Go to click on the grey box alongside ellipse 1 and drag your mouse cursor to the yellow arrow alongside duplicate 1 to make a connection, so that the duplication effect is applied to the ellipse shapes. Then go to click on the grey box alongside duplicate 1 and connect to Media Out 1 so that your final animation clip will appear in your final video. Click on either left or right view underneath Media Out 1 to preview your final effect. With duplicate 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Controls, change copies from 2 to 12. In order to ensure that there is a delay with each circle around your ellipse pattern appearing, we need to make an adjustment to time offset. Here I will decrease this from 0 to -2.5. In order to spread these duplicated ellipse shapes around the circular pattern, I will decrease angle to -30. Inside your Projects Edit window, the black background is also transparent, enabling you to add static images and other video clips to video tracks below that containing your Fusion composition clip with this animation effect. To change the length of your Fusion composition clip, simply select this and hold in Ctrl and press D to change the duration. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.